What if getting back into shape after 50 didn't have to hurt or feel overwhelming? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to restart your fitness journey with using one simple tool, the Rebounder. All right, let's get started. I have a few simple steps. If you'd like, on the second time around, we're going to use lace-ups. Let's get going. Start with a health bounce, pushing down on the mat with your full body. Slightly bend your knees and relax the shoulders, engage that core, tuck it in. Give me that smile. Let's get going today. All right, bring your arms up and down. Again, blow that air out. Push down, come on. Just getting warmed up. We want proper form. That way you don't have any pain. All right, we want to start slow. 2 to 5 minutes a day. Let's go. Walk. And move those arms. Left and right, pushing down on the mat. Come on. Got a little peppy music. Make sure you stay hydrated. Anytime you exercise, you want to keep all the organs functioning properly. And pace yourself, okay? All right, now we want to step up and back. Step up and back. Leading with the right foot, up and back. So you want to do about 20 to 30 seconds on each step and then switch the other leg. Let's go. Kind of circle those arms a little bit. Excuse me. I got a frog in my throat this morning. Switch back to the other leg. And now switch to the other leg. Do a few more of those. Good. Now shake side to side. We are going to do what they call a V up. So you're going to go corner, corner, and back. Again, we are leading with the right. So you want to use your arms, do a circle, but this time bigger circle. Out diagonal. Now go with the other foot, diagonal. V up, V back. Push down on the mat. That's called the V step. Good, now you're going to do a step, 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 stomp. 1, 2, 3, stomp. Alternating. 1, 2, 3, start again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, stomp. 1, 2, 3, stomp. Get the feet going first. Now, 1, 2, 3, stomp, push down. 1, 2, 3, push down. 2, 3, push. 1, 2, 3, push. Push. So far, these are grounded moves. That means we are not jumping off the mat. Our feet are flat. 1, 2, 3, stomp. 1, 2, 3, stomp. You can do different arm variations. Now, let's just step side to side. for a minute. The next song we're going to do, heel digs, looks like this. Push and dig the heel to the front. Push and push. So far, these are beginner-friendly moves. Low impact, easy on the joints. We're not putting stress on the muscles, the joints, the ligament. No stress when you're doing grounded moves. All right, a few more. Now, if you're not a beginner and you're more advanced, then on the second time around, I'm going to show you how to bounce off the mat. Now, the next one is called a push back. All right, push, alternating. And you're squeezing the legs and the glutes. Push back. Got it? Push. Push back. All right, shake side to side. Your next move is going to be out, out, in, out. So kind of like a half jack. So it looks like this. Out, out, in. Out, out, in. And kind of athletic arms with this one. Push down. Switch to the other leg. Out, out, in, in. Out, out, in. Working on that lymphatic system, draining those toxins out of your body. Rebounding is called the fountain of youth. Yes, because it makes you feel young again. I used to be in gymnastics when I was in high school. We had to learn how to do moves on the trampoline. So I love the trampoline. All right, step touch. Tap in front. Again, you are standing up straight, but you're relaxing those shoulders. You're engaging that core. And move your arms. Push down and tap. Who's ready for summer? Yeah. Yesterday I got in my car and it was 100 degrees in my car. Phew. I'm in South Florida. Where are you tuning in from? Let me know in the comments. Good. All right. Shake side to side. Almost done. All right, let's do 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Step back. 1, 2, 3. Step back. 1, 2, 3. Step back. Switch. Step back. And 1, 2, 3. Kind of a rock. You got it? If you don't get that, just rock. Rock. And push and pull. You can push, pull, push, pull. kind of a diagonal rock. Try it with the other side. Push, pull. Takes a little practice, that one does. All right, now like I said, if you're ready, you can take a break, get a drink of water if you want, and grab light weights. Now, this one is a little bit more advanced because we are using the lace-ups. These are wrist weights by Lace Up Athletics. I'm just using them around my hands. You can use them around your wrist if you want. All right, let's go. Basic bounce now. We're going to do a basic bounce where we're off the mat just a little bit. Jumping up just a little bit. Okay? Now bring your arms up and push up. Anytime you do anything over your head, you are raising your heart rate up. Like I said, this one is a little bit more advanced. When you're ready, start with round 1 first. Now let's do a half jack. Out and in. Bring your arms out to the side. Now, my favorite is the twist. Let's go. Twist. Push down on the mat. Push. And pop the legs up a little bit. If you're ready, like I said. This works the waist, the obliques, and all 638 muscles in your body. All right, shake side to side. Good. All right, last one. Go back to the walk. Swing your arms. From here, we're going to go to those heel digs, but we're going to come up a little quicker like this. Got it? Make sure you are engaging that core. Pull the belly button up and in. Now go to toe taps, turn your arms over like this and push it out and back. Toe taps now. Switch to biceps. And very good. Now, just shake side to side. Now let's do some triceps by doing a hamstring kick back like this. And pull the shoulder blades together. Single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. All right. Shake side to side. Now, last one. Knees up. And alternating arms overhead. Few of those. There we go. All right, let's bring it down. Okay. Shake it out. Just shake it out. Go back to the health bounce. Flat feet pushing down. And breathe. Up and down. Blow it out. Again. That's the end of this routine, but if you've been following me, you know it's so hard for me to get off of this rebounder because it is so much fun. I just don't want to stop, but I got another video to make. So I am going to step off and turn that off. And thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, comment below, and share if you know someone who is over 50. Maybe they're 40, but they need to get back into exercise. Tell them about Rebounding with Cheryl. Bye.